Check out this anchor mechanism right here, a perfect place to store the anchor. I'm gonna get out of the way. Look at this, opens up. It's for boats. Remember, you gotta think about the size that you have in your anchor locker right here. So if you have enough space for this, I definitely recommend it. It keeps everything flush. Of course, this could be fiberglass or wood or however your boat is to blend in with the boat. But I just think this is a really cool mechanism. Now I'm gonna pick it up right here. Look what happens. It starts to retract, just like that, and resets itself perfect. The only thing you have to do, boom, and you're done.